Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you how to transfer crypto from Uniswap to your Coinbase. Now it is very easy and quick to follow, so make sure you watch this video till the end. Now first thing you need to do is open up your Uniswap app, and then from the dashboard you have to select the cryptocurrency that you are going to transfer. So I'm transferring the USDT, so I will just click on it. So you have to hold on this option, and then you will see this drop down menu. From here you have to click on send, and after that you just have to paste the wallet address from your Coinbase. So open up your Coinbase app and then click on this menu icon or this nine dots at the top of your screen. Then from this section click on deposit and then search for the cryptocurrency that you are going to receive in your Coinbase. So I will just search for USDT and select the USDT from here, and then you will be able to get your wallet address. Then click on this copy button and then go back to your Uniswap app and paste the wallet address in this area. And once you do that, it will show you this pop-up window. Click on confirm, and then you just have to enter the amount how much you are going to transfer, and then click on this preview button. And if you get this warning you don't have enough BNB or any other cryptocurrency, it means that you have to make sure at least have the some gas fee for your network to cover this transfer. So if you are transferring the USDT or any cryptocurrency in BNB, you have to have some BNB in your Uniswap account. But if you are going to use the Ethereum, you have to have some Ethereum in your account. So you have to collect some gas fee on your Uniswap account first. And once you do that, and then you click on continue, you will be able to see this window. Click on confirm and send, and your cryptocurrency will be transferred from your Uniswap to your Coinbase. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.